Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to teach how find and replace work in Excel. So it's really easy and it's located under the home ribbon. It's located here. From here I just click here and we have found, we have replaced both of them here. First I want to find the Solish model. So I just type here Solish and I click find all. You can see I found 240 cells. From here I can check that manually. You can see it moves from here to here. Find next and next and next. We can find whatever we want. So that's it for find. It's easy. So I close this one. I don't want, I have found this. I close this one. Now I come here again and replace it. So before I found this Salish, and also I can change it to Hudson. I can change it to Hudson. And also I want to replace it to, for example, to tutor. And I want to find all first. I have found this, and also I want to replace all. All done. We made 200 for the replacement. Okay, you can see now we have tutor. It's easy peasy, and also we can replace one by one, and also we can replace all. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.